All right, so today I got a friend of mine's car who needs a little electrical work, and what's going on here is the starter solenoid and the HIDs and a few things are just, I don't know, kind of a hot mess. You look at them, things are kind of tangled, and there's a few things in here that could be cleaned up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in here. We visited a couple of the auto parts stores to get some parts and pieces, which you can see over here what we've got laid out. And we're going to try and put all these things together and make it happen to where when we look in here, we use things like this, which is something as simple as like a distribution block, which is going to take away from problems like this where we have wires bunched up. A lot of these things need to be on fuses, individual lines, so that if something backfeeds, it doesn't, take out the starter solenoid and then all of a sudden the car can't start. At least it'll take down the one problem or issue you may be having instead of take down 5 or 6 different things and possibly backfeed into the computer of the car. And doing so, or in this case, the ignition, because this would be the positive. And then you're going to go through these 2 wires here, which is going to the ignition, and then this wire here goes to the starter. But here it is. This is a aftermarket custom build. And you can see a variety of people have, put their hands and time into this car. It's one of those master-crafted art pieces. Some call it the G-Ride. Nice shiny paint job. Buick Skylark. You don't see them like this. One of the classics. It's definitely not a factory motor. A couple other aftermarket racing parts in there. Get the MSC ignition. Well, what do you say we get started? Thank you.